What time is it? It's time to snack. It's time for a movement snack. That's right, with all that brain work, it's time for a reset. Get ready to restore your energy and rev your brain up. Let's start moving. Miss AP here to help restore your energy. Before we begin, let's start with our warm-up by doing 2 forward folds. Standing your tall mountain, arms up, folding over, feeling that stretch, rolling up one last time, arms up, folding over, feeling that stretch, rolling back into your tall mountain. Nice job. Now that we have warmed up our body, we are ready to exercise. Today we are going to start on the floor and learn a slightly different plank position called the forearm plank. We'll start off on all fours in our tabletop position, knees down, hands down, and you are going to lower yourself down to the ground. You're going to tuck your toes. This time our forearms are going to be flat on the floor. Push yourself up. Straight like a pencil, hold it, down to the ground. Reset, take a deep breath in, push yourself up, hold it, come back down to the ground. To modify it, bring your feet up, push yourself up, body straight, down to the ground. One last time, modified forearm plank, down to the ground. We're gonna push ourselves back up in our child pose position. We are gonna reset and give yourselves a big clap, clap. Nice job. Let's cool down by taking 2 deep breaths. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Great job. Wow, that was some awesome work. You just finished a 2-minute movement snack to restore your energy. Now get ready to jump back into learning. Remember to use the exercise snack we just finished to keep moving all day long.